Hello everyone, today we show you how to connect JINGYAN TLL-90S to Serial Assistant over RS485. Long press SCT to enter the menu. Select Communication and enter. Adjust communication settings as needed. Take auto transmission as an example. Keep rest settings default. Plug the RS485 cable into the device and your PC. Press Win+X, then open Device Manager. Click Ports to find the COM port number. The COM port for RS485 data transmission is USB Serial CH340. Open Serial Assistant. Click the drop-down arrow next to the COM port number. Select the correct COM port based on the information shown in Device Manager. Baud rate, keep consistent with the device. Click Open to connect.